my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a couple little things to share with you today. One thing we have brand new on our website is a brand new mystery bag. It is chock full. In fact, I've already told Ken this is mine because I don't have a few of these items and they are awesome. So I see some twine, some ribbons, some epoxy, wow. That is awesome. Go check it out. Can't show it to you. Also, we have a dream die and an enjoy die that were once in our kits. If you miss those, you can grab those ASAP. And we also have some state stamps. We have, and Ken gave me a list because we have a couple different ones. We have Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, right? My Texans are happy. Georgia, Illinois, and Missouri. And if you missed out on the California, guess what? They're back in stock. Go check them out. All of these fun items are on the website. The mystery bag and the 2 dream and enjoy dies. If you do not see them on our website, guess what, my friends? That means they're gone. They're a limited edition. Once they're gone forever, so go get them quick. I'll see you there, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.